I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the moment.
Good morning guys! So ngayon, 6:28 na and maaga si Tim papasok today kaya maaga rin ako gumising para gumawa ng breakfast. So gawa na tayo ng breakfast guys.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for.
So yan guys, si Tem nakapasok na sa work kanina and natulog lang ulit ako and ngayon naman gagawa naman ako ng breakfast ko and it's currently 10:41. So luto na tayo guys. And after ko magluto guys at kumain, maglilinis ako ng bahay. Tapos, baka mag-edit na rin ako pagkatapos magluto. Ay, kumain.
My mind since I hit your phone, I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates, and they say communication safe relations okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see.
So, yan guys, gumawa lang ako ng cheese sandwich. Tapos, hot chocolate. Kain tayo guys. So, yung mga damit guys, maaraw naman sa labas, kaso, sobrang lamig na ngayon guys, as in. Kahapon naman, medyo okay pa yung weather, pero biglang lamig yung simoy ng hangin guys, kaya dito ko na lang muna pinasok, kasi kanina nakabukas na may heater. Tapos, baka pag maglinis na ako, ilabas ko muna siya. Tapos, ibalik ko na lang ulit pagkatapos maglinis. So, kain tayo guys. So, today guys, ang aga kong nagising kasi maaga yung pasok ni Tem kanina.
On your face, I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes.
Okay guys, tapos na ako kumain ngayon and start na tayo maglinis para maaga rin tayo matapos and makapag-edit tayo ng video. So, let's start guys!
You got something to hide, so open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right. Tell me baby, what's the problem? Cause I keep trying to figure it out. Oh no, oh no. Tell me baby, what's the problem? I'm only picking up what you're putting down. You'll be tripping, I don't know what about. So what's the problem right now? Okay, now Hold up, let me get something right off my chest. I've been meaning to read into it, time to put it to rest. Is it stress? Is it that I ain't answer your text? Don't you treat it like amnesia, you know I always forget. Stirring the pot real hot, watch how the plot thickens. Around the clock, tick tock, need more than 20 seconds to get your attention before it's on to the next thing. And I'm over here again wondering, can I hold ya, hear your truth, pull you closer, talk it through. Girl, you know that
So, yan guys. Nalinis ko na yung bahay. And, next naman is sa kwarto. And, baka mag-declutter na rin ako ng mga gamit. Ewan ko lang. Pero, yan. Okay na sa living room and sa dining room. Kiro, 言葉
言葉じゃない普通に色が入ってるの。
むずくないそのヒント。もうちょっとヒントちょうだい。3個までヒントちょうだい。
3個あとは赤黄色がいて赤がいて
さてじゃないの？
さて関係ない
車。
いや車関係ない今なんかね買ってるの
マック？
ピンポーン
あ、マック食べたの？
そう
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight.
So, umuwi ngayon si Tem, guys, and nagdala siya ng McDonald's lunch namin. So, ito guys, naghati na lang kami. Yan, para matikman namin, dalawa. Tapos, fries and yung chicken nuggets, guys, in-air fryer ko. Kain tayo, guys. So, nakauwi na siya, guys. And, pinilan niya ako ng Baskin Robbins kasi nakapanaginip ako ng guys, ng Rocky Road na ice cream. Tapos nag-craving ako. So, pinili kong flavor guys is this one. Tatlo siya guys. Tatlo yung laman. Then yung kay Tem din guys is same na tatlo din. And so, yan guys. Lalagay ko muna sa ref kasi kakain muna kami ng dinner. And manonood ng movie. And dinner for today guys is hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina guys kasi nalubat yung phone ko. And dinner for today is adobo. Yan. And pinasok ko na rin guys yung mga damit. Yan. Kasi malamig na sa labas guys. And lumalamig siya. Kaya pinasok ko na lang. So yan. So yan guys. Kain tayo.